doing a crash test right now to make some fancy dinner for my birthday party. We have a recipe that we're following online: a salmon crudo with a yuzu spicy miso sauce.
Cilantro.
Yeah.
Serrano.
Yeah. I think it would be nice if it was like brighter. I wonder how we can make it brighter. Making a mushroom mix salad. And then for dinner tonight, we're also not for the party, making a mushroom steam egg. It's fine. We can just put it later. I'm gonna try to make a brown butter honey so that we can spread it on bread. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we
Oh.
put a lot of topping.
Ta-da! I don't know if I want a flour.
How you want? How you want like this?
Yeah, or like crudo, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Where it's like just around. This is our salmon crudo. This is one way we're testing to plate it. I'm gonna experiment. I want to experiment with it. And then this is the mushroom salad, which looks phenomenal. And then this is the steamed egg. Yay! This is our dinner for tonight.
Now is testing before the day.
Alright, so I am gonna grab some. Wow. Truffle chuka salad dressing. It's good.
Simple to make or not?
Really simple. I bought it the Kewpie chuka dressing, the spicy sesame, and then we mixed it with the truffle oil,
Phenomenal.
and then added a little salt, and sauteed the mushrooms, shiitake and enoki, and then cut some tomatoes, shallots. I think I would want a little bit more, but mix it with mixed green. A delicious salad, so good.
You love it?
Mm-hmm.
I think
I'm excited to try it, to make people try this too.
a new salad. Unlock a new salad, congrats.
We had extra mushroom.
Yeah, so it's more like mushroom than steamed egg.
But this is dashi steam egg.
Yeah, so is dashi mixed with water with 3 large eggs, a little bit of soy sauce, and a pinch of salt. It's got to be hot.
The pepper goes pretty well with it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I should put a lot.
I think if you do a lot, it might overpower it.
Oh yeah?
But this is pretty good. This bite.
It's
Oh my
great.
God.
Can't wait to people to try it.
But we're not gonna make this stuff.
Oh yeah,
We're
that's
making
true.
A soup.
A soup, peas soup.
Yeah, I really want to. Okay. Alright, and then this. I told Rafaela I want to dress it a different way because I want the sauce to be under it. Or maybe not. We'll see. You know, because maybe it might be too much sauce now. I don't know. This is a little bit of salmon compared to what we're going to be doing.
Just to try. Crash test. Yeah.
Alright, a bite of everything. Pepper, the sauce, salmon, and the scallop. I think when we do it, we might add radish.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
A
We're gonna add
like thin
microgreens
slice.
too.
Thin slice.
Wow. That's good.
Tomorrow we try the main dish, which is the filet mignon with broccoli. No, broccoli, smashed broccoli, no? Yeah, yeah.
The salmon doesn't take a lot of the flavor though.
That's good.
I don't know. I want to taste
The sauce more or the salmon?
I want to taste the sauce more. So, I wonder.
I think I put more cilantro.
I wonder if they like if they. We should try out smashing it because you know some people they smash it for like a pastel.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
And also like
Yeah.
maybe
Right.
I don't know. We'll look into it. We'll see. But it is good though.
Okay. This is day 1 of the crush test.
Mm-hmm.
See you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what are you doing, baby?
This is a brown butter whipped cream with honey. It
Oops.
smells so good. It
With the
smells
honey, yeah.
like it's caramelized milk. Those are those little brown bits, and then the honey, and then we toasted some bread. Oh, baby, that's fine. Good enough for me.
Toast, you mean?
So, I'm gonna put it on with a spatula. I want this to be harder, so I might put it in the fridge when
Yeah.
we do it. But
Okay,
this
ready?
is just carbs, guys. God damn, but I'm so excited.
Okay. Bossing?
I'm gonna be sweeter, but yeah, it's good.
It's melting.
Wow. Wow. Day 2 of the crash test. We did a broccoli potato mash with filet mignon, and I think the sauce. We'll see if we want to continue using the sauce. Maybe not, because we're already gonna use it for the salmon. So I want different flavors. But this is like the sauce from cooking it. It looks pretty. We're gonna add like flowers and stuff like that to it, so it looks nice and pretty. But yeah, woo woo. And then on the side, we made this just for us today. I didn't have any more heavy cream, so it looks dry.